Tired of feeling like you're melting in the summer? Say goodbye to sticky situations and temperature extremes with Summers Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. We're your one-stop solution for plumbing, heating, and cooling right here in the Monrovia area. Whether it's installing a new energy-efficient system or fixing a sudden breakdown, our experienced technicians have you covered. Ready to take control of your indoor climate? Call Summers Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling today.